Hey everyone, welcome back to BTech. How you can start making money online using AI. Whether you are a content creator, a freelancer, or just someone looking for new opportunities to generate income, you are going to love this. Stick around because by the end of this video, I will reveal a secret tool that can help you turn your skills into cash. One of the easiest way to make money online is by creating social media content. If you can constantly produce engaging content and grow your followers on platforms like YouTube, Instagram or TikTok, you can start earning through a variety of methods. This includes platform advertising, sponsorship deals, affiliate commissions, and even selling your own courses or products. But what if I told you there is a way to speed up this process and make your content stand out with AI? Well, stay tuned because we are about to dive into that. If content creation is not your thing, don't worry, you can still make money using AI by offering services to other creators or clients on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Imagine offering to dub videos in different languages for clients. All you need is a Wondershare Virbo tool that can convert your videos into multiple languages. And with Wondershare Virbo, you can also create personalized spokesperson videos in bulk using AI avatars. This service is highly demanded by businesses and content creators looking for professional videos quickly and affordably. And you can also offer video translation services, making content accessible to viewers in various languages and regions. So the tool that makes all of this possible is none other than Wondershare Virbo. This AI-powered tool is packed with features to help you deliver these services and more. Let me show you how it works. So here you can see we have a comprehensive list of avatars. You can choose avatars from different regions and categories. Whether you want professional or casual avatars, the options are endless. If you prefer starting with the pre-made scene, navigate to the video template section on the left side. Here you can choose from various collections, aspect ratios and scene to suit your platform. Once you are ready, head back to the home screen, click the create video button and select your preferred aspect ratio. For this example, I will choose landscape mode and next the default avatar will be displayed. But if you would like to select another, click on the avatar icon to access the full collection. Here you can see we have a different avatars in different outfits, styles and emotions. After selecting the avatar, you can customize further by changing the background, adding text or including music. You can even upload your own images and videos to personalize the content. Once everything looks good, it's time to enter your script. You can type your script in text or upload an audio file. I will go with the text script. Here we also have a script generator. It can generate a script for you. Just give it a prompt and then you can make it engaging, happier, professional, or you can also expand it. Another great feature is the ability to translate your script into other languages. This feature opens up huge opportunities to share your content worldwide, regardless of the original language. You can always convert your script into any other language. Next we choose the voice. There are different voices available, classified by language. I will go with English and select the male voice.
In a groundbreaking development, a team of international scientists has successfully deployed an artificial reef structure that supports coral growth, offering a new ray of...
You can preview the voices by clicking the play button.
In a groundbreaking development, a team of international scientists...
Amidst a historic labor movement, employees at one of the world's largest gig economies. À l'heure où la protection de l'environnement devient une priorité mondiale.
Once done, hit the export button and you will find the video in my creation section. Then you can download or preview it directly from there.
Hey, beauty lovers!
Big news! Our top-rated beauty products are now 50% off. Yes, you heard that right, 50% off on your favorites. But that's not all. We are also thrilled to introduce our brand new collection of must-have products that'll elevate.
And here it is. Look at how realistic it is. And with Wondershare Virbo, you can also easily dub a video into multiple languages. Just upload your video, select the original language and choose the target language and hit translate.
ビューティーファンの皆さんに朗報です。人気ビューティー商品が今驚きの 50% 引き。そう、お気に入りも半額に。
And there you have it. With Wondershare Virbo, you can take advantage of AI technology to make money online, whether it's by creating your own social media content or offering freelance services to clients. The possibilities are endless, and with Virbo, the process is easier than ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to use AI to grow your online business. And hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.